As per the latest CNBC article, there were around 55,000 layoffs in 2025 just in the US due to AI, and around 1.17 million people lost jobs in 2025, even more than COVID. Amazon laid off around 15,000 people, Intel and TCS combined laid off around 47,000 people. With this, the question comes, what will happen in 2026? What's the future of AI and how it will impact the jobs? Let's get to it in under 3 minutes. Hi, my name is Atul Jain and चलिए शुरू करते हैं। जब हम AI की बात करते हैं तो there are 3 most important questions. First is how AI is going to disrupt the job market. What will be the short-term and long-term impact and how we are going to cope up with AI. अगर आप कोई MNC में काम करते हैं या आपके पास एक स्मार्टफोन है तो आपने 2025 में AI तो यूज़ किया ही होगा. Be it ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot or any other AI platforms that you are using. Generative AI has changed the world. एक सिंपल ईमेल लिखने से लेकर एक कॉम्प्लेक्स कोडिंग हर कुछ आज AI में किया जा सकता है. तो क्या AI will replace 100% of our jobs? According to MIT article, around 11% of the jobs can already be replaced by AI. World Economic Forum के according 40% of the employers intend to cut staff if they have the possibility to switch over to AI. Godfather of AI says in 2026, jobs are going to take a shock. According to Microsoft, there are 40 kinds of jobs that are easily replaceable by AI, some of which are writers, editors, news publishers, data scientists. जो भी repetitive काम है वो AI से replace हो सकता है in 2026 और by 2030. Entry-level jobs are going to be most impacted by AI, and धीरे धीरे it will also impact the mid-senior level roles. तो क्या कर सकते हैं कि हम protected रहें AI से? It's very important in this fast-paced AI environment to get a hold of all the AI enhancements that it's going through. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि इस साल आप कुछ नई चीज़ें AI के बारे में जानें, कुछ नए कोर्सेज AI से रिलेटेड करें, ताकि आने वाले सालों में जो भी AI के enhancements हो रहे हैं, that doesn't impact you so much. With jobs going or replacing by AI, there are new jobs being created because of AI. According to Goldman Sachs, the impact on these jobs is not very much. AI-oriented jobs will also be created in many new fields. People who know AI will definitely hold a good position than people who lag behind. AI developers, cyber security, designers who use AI will definitely progress in the coming years. अब मैं आपको ऐसे 5 कोर्सेज के बारे में बताने वाला हूँ जो कि आपको 2026 में कर ही लेने चाहिए to get a hold on AI. First one is AI for Everyone by Coursera. Second one is Elements of AI by University of Helsinki. Third one is Google AI Essentials, again available in Coursera. Fourth one is IBM Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, again available in Coursera. And the fifth one is a little intermediate level, which is Machine Learning A to Z, available in Udemy.